to my channel. If this is your first time here, thank you so much for stopping by. I truly appreciate it. I hope you do consider hitting that subscribe button as well as that notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a video. Alright y'all, so today I'm bringing another new synthetic wig review for you, and this is from Zury Sis. It is one of their sister wigs from the Beyond Your Imagination collection. It is in the style Crimped 16 inches and in the color Tiedye Parade. This unit has HD transparent lace, a 5-inch hand-tied part, and she is heat safe up to 400 degrees. Now, I know like me, some of y'all have been seeing the same wig in this crimp style, but it's been crimp 22 inches. So this is crimp 16 inches. So now that you know the difference, let's go ahead and dive right into this review. So I have finished styling this wig, which took me absolutely no time at all. Definitely beginner friendly. This is another throw on and go. So I initially saw this wig reviewed from my girl Phoebe Rome. She did review Crimp 22 in the 22 inches. And I was like, yes! Y'all know, if you watch my channel, I am a huge fan of wavy and crimped hair. I love it. So when she reviewed it, I was like, oh honey, I gotta get my hands on that. When I finally decided to do so, I saw that they had 16 inches in the same style. Now y'all know I love me some nice long hair sometimes, but I am more a fan of a shorter, comfortable length. And this 16 inches, when I saw it, was like, bam, that's it. That's what I need in my life right there. So, ooh, I'm loving her. Now, this color, I know you have seen this color all over YouTube, because so have I. I have seen people like my girl Magical Blackness. I also saw her review this same wig in the 22 inches today and absolutely loved it. I saw my girl Tiedye review this color. So many people have reviewed this color, Shandism 101. And so every time I see it, I'm like, God, it's so pretty. I have got to get my hands on that color. I finally got my hands on this color and I am excited. I love it, Tiedye. Ah! This color is so pretty. Oh, I love it, y'all. Come on here. Can you taste the rainbow here? Ah! So we starting with the purple, red, blue, green. We got a little yellow. And then we come back around. I'm giving you a 360 now. I ain't even got to give it at the end of the video like I normally do. Then we come back around to same colors and where we started with the purple and red. So kudos to Zury Sis for making this color available in this wig. This is more of a silky texture, but it's not like too silky. Like it's a nice silky where it's not like super shiny and looking wiggish. It's so soft. I have been gliding, no tangling. However, as you saw with the styling, This shedding is serious. It is serious. It's serious. We only say serious. It's serious. Okay? Oh, I was like, God, dog, every time I run my hands through, look, it don't stop. Every time. It don't stop. But I can deal with it as long as, look, I always say, it got to be one or the other. You can't be shankling. You can't be shedding and tangling. You got to do one or the other. Okay? I love it when you don't do either, but I'll take one. All right, so let's talk about this lace. Now, this is claiming to have the HD transparent lace. I beg to differ. I mean, the lace, not only was the lace super light, which happens with many of these HD lace wigs, and we just go in and, you know, tint the lace and, you know, make it to our color. But it's not even like the super soft lace that's supposed to melt easily into your skin. So it does look like it's melting right now because, you know, I put the color on it, but, you know, I'm not glued down or anything. It's not really soft lace at all. It's actually not hard lace, but it's in that in between. Not soft at all. All right, so as I mentioned before, this unit is super easy and beginner friendly, y'all. Like, I didn't do anything. Threw this wig on, cut the lace off, put some foundation powder in the parting space. I did have to tint the lace, and I just used my contour powder to do that, and that was really it. I didn't glue her down. I didn't even use my bobby pins. I'm planning on keeping this on today. But easy breezy, y'all. Super easy wig. Now, let's talk about the price. The price range of this wig is $29 to $45. Good little range. Of course, I'll leave a link in the description box where you can find various options. So, shop at your discretion. And I do think it's pretty affordable. I mean, it's easy breezy. You don't have to do a whole lot. You get these pretty vibrant colors. It's no tangling. Yeah, you got the shedding. Something you got to overlook. But it's a really nice and convenient synthetic wig, and it's wavy. Oh, my favorite. Perfect length. It's definitely worth it, in my opinion. It is worth it. Now, y'all saw me lay down baby hairs. It's not a necessity. I just did that to kind of cover up, you know, the little lace part. That was just my way of covering up this dense hairline. But I mean, if you're okay with that, you don't have to do that. You don't have to go through extra measures if that's not your thing. No big deal. All right, so that's really all. Like, that's all I got. Easy, cute, convenient, stylish, colorful, all that jazz. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. I'd love to know your thoughts and opinions. I always chat back, so feel free to speak and just, you know, let me know what you think about it. Do you have her? Are you willing to get her? Let me know. Alright, well, I thank you all so much for watching this video. As always, I truly appreciate it. Please be sure to thumbs up this video. Hit that subscribe button if you have not. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye, y'all.